Welcome to our farm animal exploration. Let's meet some amazing animals and learn how they help us. I am a cow. I say moo moo. I give fresh milk to help people stay strong and healthy. I am a chicken. I say cluck cluck. I lay eggs that people eat for breakfast. I am a horse. I say neigh neigh. I help humans by carrying loads and working on farms. I am a sheep. I say ba ba. My wool is used to make warm clothes. I am a duck. I say quack quack. I lay eggs and help control insects on the farm. I am a goat. I say my. I give milk and help clear weeds from fields. I am a farm dog. I say woof woof. I protect the farm and help herd animals. I am a farm cat. I say meow meow. I help by catching mice and keeping the barn clean. I am a donkey. I say hee-haw. I carry heavy loads and help farmers with their work. I am a turkey. I say gobble gobble. Farmers raise me for my nutritious meat. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content.